Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your favorite YouTuber and your favorite person overall. Today we're going to be talking about how to not care about the how when manifesting. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things self-development. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. How to not care about the how when manifesting. This is easier said than done, but if we practice this every single day, we will be able to not care as much and therefore getting what we want much faster. The quick and easy answer to this is by focusing on doing the things that we love, if it is related or unrelated to our manifestation. There really is no rules to this. If you are manifesting a partner and at this current moment in time, you are actually excited and happy watching tarot readers, even if it has something to do with your manifestation, which is going against everything manifestation coaches say, but it's true because it doesn't matter what it is, as long as you are following your happiness right now, your inspiration, you can get anything that you want because the energy of being inspired by whatever you are naturally feeling inspired by, not by what a YouTuber is telling you to feel inspired by, or on WikiHow, people are like, oh, to forget about your partner, go out with your friends. But bitch, that isn't inspiring me right now. That isn't going to get my mind off of things. What's going to get your mind off of things is you going and doing what makes you happy in this current moment, no matter if it makes sense to anyone else. Some people like listening to Taylor Swift after crying about breaking up with their boyfriend. Other people would completely try to detach themselves and go out every single night. It's literally whatever works for you. It might be cathartic for one person to listen to Taylor Swift after a breakup, but it might depress the other person. But the main thing is not even distracting yourself. The main thing is you need to follow what makes you happy right now, and that's literally all that life is about. We deserve happiness. We deserve to do what we want to do at any given moment in time. No matter if I am manifesting to become a millionaire or a promotion at my job or more friends, that's great, but why is it that you want those things? Fundamentally, it is because you want a better life. So don't you want to skip to that part of having a good life in the way that you can control that right now? We're not punishing ourselves by trying to be the best employee if that's hurting our spirit. We're doing it if that excites us and that's going to lead us to the direction that we want to go towards. But if we're doing it because, on YouTube, the hustle YouTubers are telling you to hustle every single day and wake up at 5 a.m. even though that's not in your heart and in your soul, I'm sorry, that's not gonna work in the long run, So by doing what makes you happy, it's going to fuel you into the direction that you want to go to anyways, while also enjoying life, which is something that you wanted to do in the first place. You're just making a job as a means to an end, or a partner as a means to an end to a happy life. You deserve the things that you want and you are going to get them. But if they are not in your life right now, know and trust that it's going to come to you, but you just don't know how it's going to happen. Let it go and focus on the things that you want to do right now. Therefore, you are living your happiness in the present moment. So the universe, God, your subconscious mind, whatever you believe in, is going to give you more of that. The universe knows already what you want. You don't have to keep telling it all of the time. I mean, you can if that's something that also excites you and works for you. But I feel like I'm the type of person that if I just keep on focusing on one thing, I'm going to keep obsessing over it and then I'm going to choke it to death. What's easier for me and what makes more logical sense is enjoying my life and knowing that it's going to come to me in the perfect way that it's going to come to me. Period. You don't know how it's going to happen, but when it does, you're going to look back and you're going to be like, this literally happened in the most perfect way for me. Things have happened in my life that if you would have told me literally a week ago, I would not have believed you. But looking back at the timeline of my life and sort of looking at it from that way, it makes 100,010,000% sense. Does that make sense? And whatever happens in the future, I'm gonna be able to zoom out and be like, it had to happen this way. Like it is just perfect for me, for my personality, for how I grew up, for my wants and needs, and everything in between. I wanted to move to New York at 23. It happened a lot quicker once I let it go and was like, it's going to happen. I'm just going to enjoy my life and just living the best life possible. My mind opened up and I had a better way of seeing things because my mind wasn't clogged up with, oh, I should do this, I should do that, because of some like arbitrary, it has to happen like this. And in theory, everyone says that it needs to happen this way. Well, it doesn't need to happen this way. You get to get what you want in the perfect time, how it's meant to happen, and in a way where it's easier for you. And you will look back and you'll be like, thank God it did not happen in the way that I was struggling for it to happen. We just don't know. We don't know the bigger picture. We're in one specific time in our lives. We don't know how it's going to end up in the future. And we don't know the forces that are working right now for your manifestation to come. And the reason why it's not coming right now is not because you're not deserving of it, or because there's something wrong with you, or you're not manifesting hard enough, but because it is just not the time right now, and you are going to understand that when it actually does happen. And you're gonna be like, thank God it did not happen February 2023. At the same time, you are worthy and deserving of getting that thing right now. But also recognize that you don't have all the answers. You don't have all the answers, Sway. So I hope that that made sense. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I know that you love this video and that you love this channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. You don't have all the answers, Sway.